Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to share document with others on document. You can share document to someone or person, or you can share the document with group also. So I will show you there is a few way you can share the documents by using the Google Drive. Okay. So here you can see I have two account here. First one this Manish Yadav and second is this one Netcast demo. So I will show you how you can. I am going to share my documents to this email person or this account. So here you can see the Google Drive is a basically is a service from Google, and here you can save your documents, like you can save your file like Google Docs, Excel, and you can save image, video also, and you can share it. You can share with others, you can email it, you can create links to you can get the shareable links, and you can share the link to others. I can do this, I'll show you. So here you can see you can create any documents like Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slide, and you. Okay. And here also you can upload the files from your Google your computer or laptop. Just go to the file upload, and you can upload any file like PDF, Excel sheet, Google Docs, anything. And you can also upload the folder of files. You can also upload the folders from here. Just click on, then browser will be open, the your window browser, and just select the file where it is and just open. So it will be upload on here. Okay. So many people create the folder as per their requirement. Then they open the folder and they upload the file over there. So I suggest you create a folder for your work and then upload the file according the requirements. Okay. So I will show you how you can share to others. Okay. So you can share any files or folder to others. So I just select this file, which is docs file. Just select the file, and here you can see there is a two option to share. You can also right click on it and you can get the same option. So just and I will explain the first option, which is share. If I click on it, you will get the dialog pop up in middle of screen, and here you can see the first option is share with people and group. Okay. So first, if you want to share with groups, that you need to create groups in contacts. Okay, go to the Google contacts. How to go to the Google contacts? Here, go to the contacts, and here you have to create the groups of your account, and then you can add the groups here, or you can enter the individual email id. You can enter up to 50 email id here. Okay. And you can, there is a three permission type. The first is viewer. That means people can also only view. Commenter means people can only comment on your Google Docs. Okay, they are not actually write on your Google Docs or file. They only comments on your file or folder. Or editor means you have given the all access permission, like they can edit, they can delete your file, or they can make any changes on it. So I say you make it viewer only, and you can, this is notify people. Okay, if you integrate, then means the people will not get notified. They will get they won't get the notify, and they will don't know that they receive the shared document. So you need to check it, because they will get the notification on message or email id. Write the email and just send it. After send, this file will get uh, this file will show you this show on of. Okay, I will send and show you how you can send it. Okay, send it. After send, this file will show on this tab, share with me. Okay. So as I told you, this is my another account. I just share the file. So if I want to look and check this file, I have to go and share with me, and here you can see this file I just share with uh, from this email id, which is this one. Okay. So share with me, the tab basically where you can find the files and folder shared by others. So you can get the shared files here only. So first, you can share any file or document in Google Drive only. So now you can share on link by link. Okay, just tap on, right click on it, get the link, and you can get the link one. Okay. So here also you can make the changes like anyone of this link. If you keep it restricted, means this image link will be not accessible for everyone. First you need to add the people here, then you can share the link to him. Okay. So I suggest you make it everyone with this link. uh, okay. Select the permission type and just copy the link, and you can share this copy to anyone. Okay, you can share on WhatsApp, you can share on email ID, you can share on Messenger, whatever. So that is how you can share the Google Docs or Google Documents to others. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.